Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Stages of Fundamentals. They make play kits for kids from 0 to 5, and then they do have a shop where you can buy add-ons. This box is the young child. It's kind of like a generalized kit for a bunch of young kids. They did tailor this to my kids' ages because I have a 3 and a 5-year-old. I also have obviously a 9 and an 11-year-old. There is also a puzzle in here for the olders. It's $14.99. It's like an add-on. You can add things onto your box. I do not know what's in here though. So these boxes for the kids they're about $69.99. It makes a great gift. If you ask, I think that's an amazing gift to give somebody. I'm all about learning toys and educational stuff, things that just help support and cement like things that kids have to learn. It just makes things easier. So right here on the top, you can see it looks fun. So I see an I Spy School, Riddles by John Marzullo. These are fun books. Oliver loves this kind of stuff. And it also, you know, helps you do syllables. So I Spy, a ladybug. We make him do this kind of stuff. And then they can look for it. And it's just very fun and engaging. A great way to get a kid into reading. Next we have, is this felt? I don't know. These look like people in your community. You've got a policewoman, a crossing guard, a cook, a gardener, a doctor, another doctor, a fireman, and a veterinarian. I don't know the difference between, maybe this one's a surgeon because she's got the light on her head. The mirror, I see the mirror on her head, the light on her head. So I guess these are, maybe they're iron-ons? Oh, I'll have to look. Look, isn't that cute? And then there's some felt here. So there's that. Okay. Next we have a Melissa and Doug wooden flexible figures. Oh, aren't these cute? 7 figures to bend and pose. This is like a castle medieval set. I've actually never seen this before. We have a lot of Melissa and Doug stuff. That's different. Those are really cute. So you have a knight, you have the king and a queen and I guess that's a prince or whatever. And then you've got a princess and somebody from Game of Thrones. I don't know. All right. All right, moving along here. We have, this is the floor puzzle. Oh, we have papers here that explain everything. This is the 51-piece floor puzzle. This is the United States. This is really cool. I love puzzles. My husband and I sit and do puzzles and listen to records together. So this is a cool inclusion. I think that's really neat. All right, so let's look at our inserts here. So it's 4 years. Did you know that the right side of the brain develops before the left? A research article from Chiron and Brain, a journal of neurology, shows that up until 3 years of age, the blood flow is higher on the right side of the brain. So basically, this just tells us how we can encourage development. Jack the Builder book by Stuart J. Murphy. Items in this kit. Oh, I'm confused now. My first paint set. That's not there. So anyway, I think this is what's in the other, like the 4-year kit, but it's not here though. So I'll have to figure that out. All right, so then here we have some cards. Use and safety disclaimer. Okay. 4 years. You make a color wheel. So these are just little helpful things that you can do with kids around this age. You're freezing something to see like that scientific reaction or chemical, not chemical, but you know what I mean. States of matter. There we go. A balloon ball, treasure hunt, 5 senses, and more color wheel. So I have to look and see if maybe this is what would come in that 4-year-old box. And this box is kind of like a sampler because this is not the same. But in that box, well, let's just go over it. In their 4-year-old play kit, there would be this Jack the Builder book by Stuart J. Murphy, where you have like numbers and blocks that you can kind of count with. My first paint set, a self-correcting alphabet letter puzzle, which is interesting. I had something like this in a book form, and some fun activities they include, and then a hammer and saw tool bench. So there is that. I will link down below to the full review. Sorry if this was kind of confusing. So you can check that out and find out more in depth. I will also link 2 stages of fundamentals so you can check them out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.